Hey everyone, welcome to Success People's YouTube channel. Today we are going to learn how to build trust and keep it up. You cannot have a healthy relationship without trust. Learning how to build trust in the workplace and anywhere else is necessary if you want to create lasting relationships. In romantic relationships, a lack of trust is one of the primary reasons for divorce. Learning how to trust someone again can be difficult after such a situation. In the workplace, millennials are 10x more likely to work for a company with a high trust culture. Whether you're building trust in teams or between individuals, the end goal is the same. You want to create an environment where people feel comfortable sharing their thoughts and helping each other out. It gives us peace of mind to know that everyone is working together as a team. 1. Be true to your word and follow through with your actions. The point of building trust is for others to believe what you say. Keep in mind, however, that building trust requires not only keeping the promises you make but also not making promises you're unable to keep. Keeping your word shows others what you expect from them, and in turn, they'll be more likely to treat you with respect, developing further trust in the process. 2. Learn how to communicate effectively with others. Poor communication is a major reason why relationships break down. Good communication includes being clear about what you have or have not committed to and what has been agreed upon. Building trust is not without risk. It involves allowing both you and others taking risks to prove trustworthiness. To navigate this, effective communication is key. Trust can be easily damaged by a miscommunication. Try your best to communicate in a way that doesn't leave room for misinterpretation. If you aren't sure about something during a conversation, ask questions to clarify. Listening is just as important as speaking for effective communication. Make sure that you give others a chance to talk. It will show that you care if you genuinely listen. 3. Remind yourself that it takes time to build and earn trust. Building trust is a daily commitment. Don't make the mistake of expecting too much too soon. In order to build trust, first take small steps and take on small commitments, and then, as trust grows, you will be more at ease with making and accepting bigger commitments. Put trust in, and you will generally get trust in return. 4. Take time to make decisions and think before acting too quickly. Only make commitments that you are happy to agree to. Have the courage to say no, even when it disappoints someone. If you agree to something and can't follow through, everyone involved is worse off. Be clear about what you have on your plate, and keep track of your commitments. Being organized is a necessary part of building trust with family, friends, and colleagues. It enables you to make a clear decision as to whether to agree to requests of your time and energy. 5. Value long-term relationships. Trust requires long-term thinking. It might seem convenient in the moment to blame someone else, or to make decisions that benefit you in the short term. But before you act, think about how they may affect how others perceive you in the future. 6. Be honest. Developing a reputation as someone who is dishonest is one of the fastest ways to erode trust. Always tell the truth, even if it's awkward. Don't give people an opportunity to catch you in a lie. 7. Admit when you're wrong. People don't like to hear excuses. If you do something wrong, it's best to just be upfront about it. If you realize you were incorrect about something, own up to it. When you attempt to hide your mistakes, people know that you are being dishonest. This is because they perceive you to be more like them. Everyone makes mistakes. If you pretend that you never make mistakes, you'll make it difficult for others to trust you because you have created an unnecessary difference between the two of you. When all that a person sees is the perfection you project, they likely won't trust you. 8. Be helpful. Someone who is trustworthy will tend to go out of their way to help people if they can. Not because of some agenda or because they expect to get something out of it, but because they're genuinely a good person. Maybe you've done all of your work for the day. You could just sit at your desk browsing the internet. Or you could be helpful. If you notice a coworker who is struggling with their own workload, offer to help. Or ask your manager if there's anything extra you can take on. Also, there is never any harm in giving guidance and advice to that new hire who seems overwhelmed. 9. Be transparent. As long as you can explain what you're doing and why you're doing it, most people will be able to understand. Don't keep secrets or hoard information for yourself. The people you're building trust with are usually people on your team that you should be working collaboratively with. Share the information with them that they need to succeed too. 10. Develop your team's skills and participate openly. When you take an active role in a team and make contributions, people are more likely to respect and trust you. It's also imperative when building trust in a team to show your willingness to trust others. Being open and willing to make contributions and to engage demonstrates this. In other words, take what others say into consideration, show that you are listening actively, suggest your thoughts and feedback in a respectful way, and demonstrate that you are willing to be part of the team. 11. Don't keep secrets from each other. How to trust your partner if you feel there are some secrets plaguing your relationship. For building trust in the relationship between you and your partner, transparency is key. No delayed honesty or secrets if you are learning to trust again. Trust in marriage or relationship needs openness and honesty. If you are planning on building trust with your partner, you must not plan to keep secrets and be open with your partner. To be a trustworthy partner, you must be honest in all your dealings and conversations with your partner. Building trust in a relationship and keeping secrets are mutually exclusive. Secrets break up relationships extremely fast, so it is essential to be honest and upfront about issues that arise together or individually. If you are struggling with how to overcome trust issues, practice keeping a non-judgmental, open mind towards your partner. Having an open mind towards your partner helps them to share their deepest, darkest secrets, which is a sign that they trust you. 12. Do not cheat on your partner. Do you find yourself asking how to trust your girlfriend or boyfriend? It is in the natural tendency of humans to be attracted to more than one person. But this does not warrant you to cheat on your partner. Here's the caveat about wanting to build trust with your spouse: even if you are bored with the relationship, spunk it up or else recalibrate your priorities in life. So, how to earn trust in a relationship? Simply put, you should not cheat on your partner because they are not fun to be with or you do not enjoy their company anymore. To build trust in a relationship, make sure you tell your partner that you're not happy with the way things are between the two of you and sort it out, or else seek professional help before considering walking out of the relationship. Because, how to gain trust back after there is a breach of trust is the most challenging question to answer. It's best to build and maintain trust in relationships than to later wonder how to trust someone once you are cheated. If you like this channel, please subscribe and comment, and press the bell notification if you want more videos like this. Thank you for watching.